Hey guys, Mrs. Sieber here, broadcasting to tell you or teach you how to download the program that we are going to need for the rest of April, since you guys will be home probably till the end of April. We'll see how things go. So we are going to use Robot Virtual Worlds, as you can see on your TV there, or your computer screen, not your TV. What you guys are going to do is to download the software. I know some of you tried with the other link that I had and it didn't work very well. So we're actually going to download it off of this website. And it's the link that I put on Google Classroom, Robot Virtual Worlds. And what you're going to do is you're going to start your free trial. So you're going to click right there. And it's going to talk about how you need Windows. If you have a Mac, click on that and it'll take you through what to do for your Mac. Okay. So it goes through all that stuff. Click Next. Now, you guys do not have Robot C installed. Some of you might have followed my directions that I had posted last week. If you did install Robot C, then click that. But if you did not install Robot C yet, you're going to click No. And you are going to click the VEX version. Download Robot Virtual World software for VEX. And what will happen is it'll pop up in the bottom corner here. You can see it kind of popped up here. You're going to click that and download it onto your computer. Okay? Now, obviously, I don't need to download it. I already have it downloaded. What it should look like on your computer screen is it should look like this, Robot C, Robot Virtual World. Or it'll just look like this to start, Robot C for VEX Robotics. And then we're going to go into it and set it up for Robot Virtual C. For our virtual worlds. So when you go into Robot C, my screen up here. Okay, first thing you're going to do is go to Help, and you're going to go to Manage, Add Licenses. Okay. Alright, so you're going to click on Product, and you're going to choose Robot C, Robot Virtual Worlds for VEX. Make sure it says VEX at the end. Our license ID, I did put on Google Classroom, but you can see it here, 802-08258. Our password is 5RV HS3YG. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit Activate Online. And it's going to ask you if you want to create a desktop shortcut for this. Hit Yes. And then hit OK. So what you just did is activated our license for this virtual world. Now you are going to go to Robot, Compiler Target, and we're going to click Virtual Worlds. Okay. Then you're going to go to Window, select Virtual World to use. Now, if you do not see Palm Island Training Ground, what you're going to have to do is download more packages. And you need the Palm Island one right here. You're going to click that, click Install and Update. I already have it installed. But you're going to click Install and Update, and then it's going to install it for you. And so we're going to go to Window, select Virtual World to use, Palm Island Training Ground. And then you are all set up for after spring break for us to start doing some coding. And it's really neat. I'll show you a sample of it right now. We're going to use sample programming, and then you're going to change the numbers and the values to make the robot move. So, for example, if I just choose the moving forward here, and then I click Download to Robot, you can see you've got a robot here. You've got a robot that you are programming with your code that's in your code sheet. So if I hit play, it's following the code that I just put in there. So as you can see, you'd have to modify it and that sort of stuff. And so we're going to work on that after spring break, and you guys are going to program these robots to go through these courses. Okay, cool. Make sure you get this downloaded before spring break.